Hello. Hello guys, welcome back to today's stream. Friday Night Live. Friday nights are chill, Friday nights are fun, Friday nights are for talking, chit-chatting and doing crazy stuff. So tonight we are going to do some crazy stuff. Uh, GPT-5 was launched recently, so I just put out one video wherein I made a simple Pong game, but I'm feeling experimental. I'm feeling what else can we build? So, Nikhil Parmar, hello. मुंबई के लिए इसका कोई अपडेट? अब भाई नो अपडेट टिल नवंबर और दिसंबर. No update for Mumbai Indians till November or December. But tonight, guys, it's going to be fun because it's Friday night, and I had this idea that I wanted to make something cool with watches and a simple game. All right, I had this idea while I was doing that Pong game that I put out today. I don't know how many of you guys have seen it, but I made a simple Pong game using ChatGPT 5 and I was blown away. I'll just show you quickly what I built. Okay, and for those of you who haven't seen that video, would recommend please go ahead, and I'm gonna give a quick shout out to my own video. Daksh, I'm good. How are you? Okay, so this is a game that I made. This is a video that I put out today. Okay, it's a 23-minute long video and super cool, super amazing. Uh, and I've also uploaded the game that I created on itch.io. This, by the way, is actually my first ever uh, submission to itch.io, and by the end of this video, I had a fully functional Pong game. So you can play it out. Actually, I'm gonna link this over here as well. Okay, check this out, and I can run this with WASD. I can control the left paddle, and with arrow keys I can control the right paddle. And let's see. Oh, I scored. Okay, and there are some cool power-ups as well. So you can see like there are 3 balls. Oh, and there is like shield power-up as well. Let's see who wins. Left or right? Who are you rooting for, guys? Left or right? Okay, it's slowed down. And you see like it has a little bit of trajectory in it as well. So a bunch of interesting features actually built entirely by ChatGPT. And 3 balls. This is my favorite power up. I wonder what will happen if there are more than 3 balls. Okay, like we get this 3x. Oh wow. Okay, and then 7 is the win condition. So now if the right paddle scores, oh damn. Okay, let's see, power ups every 5 seconds. I think this is match point. Oh, so this one doesn't have the win condition. Alright, never mind, I can just play endlessly. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop this, otherwise I'll keep on playing endlessly. But you guys can try it left and right. You can play it WSD for the left player and arrow keys for the right player. It's single player, single screen multiplayer. All right. So here's what I'm thinking I will do. Since I love watches so much, I'm going to try and see if we can build a game around watches, different types of watches. Maybe we can create your own watch kind of game. I don't know what it will be. I will just ask GPT. Okay, so I am in the let's give GPT-5 for a spin. All right, let's take GPT-5 for a spin. Omaklo, Mumbai Glees update I will provide. It's probably in the month of November or December. Okay, so let's come back to this now. And guys, even you can help me. You can suggest what should we build using GPT-5. I think as of now it is capable of doing 2D games pretty well, 2D HTML games. So we're gonna stick to making 2D games. I have an idea to make games like on the concept of watches or more or less like time, right? You guys can suggest anything else if you want. Anyone, any idea? Yash Khatre, hello. Amrit Kumar, hello. Can you show any game developer portfolio as well as yours? Well, my portfolio built a bunch of games actually, but unfortunately, most of our games are not there on Play Store. However, I did put out, like, if you are really interested in checking out my portfolio of games that I have built, you can check out these two videos. One is this one, and second is this one. Worked on almost more than 150 plus games actually. Game dev with Aniket, hello. Number 5. Are you guys working on any VR projects? We do work on client projects for VR. So yes, I mean we do have a bunch of that we've done on VR. Anyway, guys, so let's get started. Hey Nikhil, I'm 19, currently working in a game studio and doing internship at only 12K, and I'm sure that I'll be permanent and I will be getting 35K after the internship. Congratulations, IEA. Congratulations. That's good to hear. All the best to you. I hope you get what you wish for. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna start since none of you guys are recommending anything. I will start by myself. Okay. So I want to create a game on the concept of time with wrist watches with different dials. Will be creating this in HTML, JS and CSS mostly, but not sure what to create. Suggest me some interesting ideas. It can be with the movement of dials or mechanical pieces or some, but something simple and elegant without using any heavy art assets. Minimalist basically. So we can repair a watch repair simulator. That is a good idea. Watch repair simulator. Okay, Nikhil Parmar, I like that idea. Thumbnail, Shri Hari Nair. Thumbnail is I actually have this guy. His name is Anant Jain. He makes my thumbnails. Wait, what happened? ChatGPT just went blank or what? Okay, never mind. Alright, so I have decided to make a watch repair simulator. Help me build a basic prototype in HTML and JS and give me a working HTML file. Let's see. I mean, ChatGPT just went blank over here. What did I like? What did I do? What happened? Is ChatGPT not working right now, or did it just get overwhelmed? For browser, you can use Kaboom JS. It's a cool JS library. Actually, you know what, guys? I think there's some issue with GPT-5, I guess, right now. So let me actually switch to cursor. Okay, just a second. I'm gonna configure everything. I don't know what's happening with GPT, but it's not working. I think maybe GPT-5 is down, I guess. Strange. I wanted to build some cool stuff in GPT-5, but Never mind. Nothing is happening actually. I just saw. Strange. Alright, so now I'm gonna move to my favorite tool in recent times. It is called Cursor, and I will actually close everything else. Let me actually go to my workspace folder. Okay, just a second, guys. I'm just configuring my project folder. Lazy Shed Studios, hello. Ridosh, hello. Okay, uh, guys, one second. Let me close my window. Started to rain outside. There might be like a little bit of noise coming in. Okay, so see, I mean, ChatGPT for some reason it's not working. Even if I reload, it's giving a blank response. So I'm gonna close this and what? Okay, double click over here. Uh, Best kind of feeling working with rain. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gaming on hiring interns, not at the moment, Nikhil. Okay, so we're gonna make a watch repair simulator. I will open a cursor window. Uh, okay, I will give it an instruction of. Alright, so I want to build a basic watch repair simulator in HTML, JS, and CSS. Let's make it mobile compatible. Watch repair simulator game. Okay, please build a basic prototype for me using uh, clean basic art assets. Let's see what cursor comes up with. It's updated to GPT-5 now, so try reopening the window. I did actually, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, so I still have cursor, which is also pretty cool. I don't know how many of you guys have seen my cursor uh, video. That is also pretty good. Okay, so basic watch repair mechanics, screw removal, part replacement, etc. Clean minimalist art assets using CSS and SVG. Progressive difficulty with different watch types, score system and timer. Let me start by creating the main HTML file. You've tried Cursor and Unity MCP. That's pretty cool. Ruthless Artist, now that you are suggesting, let me actually see if it is working or not. Whew. I'm experimenting on my second window just to see if it is working or not. I think it's down. It's definitely down. See, I gave the same prompt again. Nothing. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Never mind. So, as you can see, like even cursor is pretty cool. I don't know how many have you guys used cursor? Anyone over here has used cursor? I'm on the pro plan. Would highly recommend use cursor as well. My friend Harsh actually recommends using Cloud Code. Oh yeah, actually, by the way, I just saw one thing. Cursor is now also using GPT-5. I just opened it. One second, I'll show you. Uh, okay, you can see over here GPT-5. This has a couple of models, right? So it is like GPT-5 model is also live on Cursor. That's pretty interesting. I hosted Hugging Face and improved it to work with my art style, increasing my work speed. That is pretty good, right? I think it's because so many people might be trying the new features, so it's possible that the site is down. Yeah, I feel that that's the case because I think GPT-5 as a model is super new, and I'm pretty sure everyone must be hopping on to try out what they can build. But anyway, until then, we can try this. Okay, so let's see what this has built. Okay, I'm excited to see this. Watch repair simulator. Okay, it has created a cool how to play. Repair watches by removing screws and replacing parts. Complete repairs before the timer runs out. Tap and drag to interact with watch parts. Score points for quick, accurate repairs. Alright, let's go. Okay, selected screwdriver. What do I have to do? Tweezers, magnifier. Wait, how do I don't know what. New crystal, component replaced. New hands. I can drag and drop this. I don't know. That's all you give in the prompt and see what it comes up with. So try making a rich up clone. It is a turn-based monopoly. Okay. But wait, why is this not working? It's what's the game? Let's restart. I'm just not able to screw remove 10 points. Okay. I'm just not able to see understand what this has built actually. I don't know. I don't know. I had something else in mind. I had a different expectation, but Lazy Studio, Shed Studio has said to create a rich up clone. Let's create a rich up clone. Okay. Hmm. New folder rich up clone. Navid, hello. I'm good, yaar. How are you? I don't know what's happening today with these AI models. Create a rich up clone in HTML, JS, and CSS. Let's see. I'll help you create a richer clone using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Let's see. I'm excited. पहचाना या नहीं? नवीद नहीं पहचाना यार. Let's go. Richer clone, jump and collect. भैया अभी अच्छा पीसी नहीं तो डेव एंड्रॉइड डेव सीख रहा हूँ अर्निंग के लिए. जब पैसे आएंगे तो गेम डेव करूँगा. क्या ये अप्रोच सही है? Definitely यार, definitely. Bro, give me ChatGPT 5 access. यार ChatGPT 5 is not working, Josh. I saw a video on Insta where they showed how simply GPT-5 created a Minesweeper clone within minutes, and it was close enough to the one available on all desktops. Yes, it is. It can do that. It can actually do that. Actually, you know what, guys? I have a brilliant idea. We can create a Minecraft clone. I can try creating a Minecraft clone. We can use Unity to build that because obviously Minecraft has some deeper functionality. But let's actually give it a shot and see if we can actually create a Minecraft clone for browser. Okay, with very basic functionality. IDK why, but GTA 5 is working on my phone. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe GPT-5 just hates me. Maybe GPT-5 is upset that I have not released Mumbai Gullies yet. That's why it's not going to respond to me. Maybe. Who knows? But guys, while this happens, I would love to chat with you guys. What's up? How are you guys? And next week, actually, I'm traveling, so I won't be able to use my system, this system. However, I am taking my MacBook with me. So probably if I find some time, I will try to just do a regular live stream. It won't be me sharing my screen and all, so we won't be able to do um, we won't be able to do game development. We won't be able to play games, but I can talk to you. बड़े यूट्यूबर हो गए, किधर बड़े हो गए यार. But yeah, honestly, Navid, I mean, I meet a lot of people, so it's sometimes difficult to remember. You're one of the first subscribers. Thank you so much, Navid. While I don't remember, like, I'm just being very honest. While I don't remember, but I'm grateful to all the people who have subscribed to my channel in the early days. I'm sincerely very grateful. By the way, Nikhil, are you willing to stream Battlefield 6 when it comes to open beta from tomorrow till 12th? Actually, I won't be able to stream Battlefield because, as I said, I'm traveling. Wait, this create in Python? So I'm traveling from 10th to 18th, so I won't be able to stream Battlefield. But maybe when I'm back, rich up clone. Let's see. I think it has created a different rich up. Wait, what? It created this thing, that offline dino game. Game over. Strange. It's not what I expected. I thought that it will, and it is very flawed as well. See, like, the coins that are getting generated way above. I can't double jump. I can't double tap. Double jump is not possible. Anyway, I don't know what's happening. Okay, you know what I will do? Let's create a simple Minecraft clone and see if this works. And to create Minecraft clone, it needs direction after all. Yeah, it needs heavy direction. So, this actually justifies the fact that even with AI tools, you still need humans, right? It is not going to do everything for you magically. Let's try to create a Minecraft clone. Uh, let's see which technology would be good to create a 3D Minecraft clone. I don't want to use any game engine, and I want to build this for browser. Let me switch to the ask mode. Let's ask what it can do. 3JS is a good option. Okay, so 3JS. Alright, so give me a complete implementation document to create Minecraft in 3JS, 3.js, right? 3.js. So I can quickly build it without relying on any external assets, and basic shapes, colors, and gradients. Let's see. I was thinking of a game with the runtime MCP which asks the player for his or her biggest fear and makes something that scares the shit out of them, and call the game phobia researching on AI to make some like this. My god, you're a twisted person. But you've said a very interesting line that is quite fascinating. It's like an F1 car with the accelerator constantly on without a steering wheel. It's a very interesting way to look at AI. I'm intrigued by this thought process that you have. Pretty good. Okay, so it is creating this whole implementation document for me. And once this implementation document is done, I will be switching to agent mode. Now, based on this implementation document, implement it, and Give me my game. I wish it was that easy with Mumbai Gullies, man. I just wish it was that easy. But it's not. I'll create a complete Minecraft clone implementation. Let me start by creating the project structure and all the files. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We are creating Minecraft in a matter of few minutes. Wild times. If it was that easy, every child would call themselves a game developer. That's true. It is creating a new directory, JS, is currently empty. I'm gonna dock this over here, alright? And we will see this in action. I am a game programmer. How far is the development going for the standalone games, by the way? So we are working on a couple of interesting projects. We have a couple of client projects going on right now. Standalone games are going good, but obviously for monetization purposes, we have a couple of projects that we've got as a company. So we are trying to balance both the things. Three things actually. One is obviously Mumbai release, for which there is a dedicated team working on it. And then there are mix and match of. Sir, do you mind if I show you some stuff on my project off screen? Will work as well. Yeah, I don't mind. The only thing is like right now I'm a bit tied up. So I'm not sure when I will get the time, but whenever I have the time for sure. Now in this JS folder, let's actually just for my curiosity's sake, let's try to read the code. So this is a block.js code, create block geometry, because we said that we can't use any external assets. So it has created a code for uh, basic block types. So there is grass, and it's made this purely based on color, stone, wood, dirt, water, and air. I wonder what air block type will be. Then what else? It has the player functionality. Okay, start index.html. Okay, all right, guys. This is it, guys. Minecraft. It is super laggy, however. I don't know why it is laggy. It is lagging a lot. Can I? What can I do? But the super amazing part is that it actually created Minecraft. I'm gonna say that it is lagging a lot. Break blocks, left click, place block, right click, click inventory slots at bottom. So firstly, the cursor is getting hidden during gameplay, and the game is super laggy. Please fix. Also, please add some moving clouds and sun in the sky so the game looks lively. Let's see. Share your YT channel if you have. We can watch it there. Lazy shed. Haven't uploaded anything new as of now. Where is your office in Mumbai? We currently are shifting between office spaces. So right now, like for this month, we are all operating from home. But next month we will be shifting to Borivali. Best of luck with Mumbai. Glad to see a lot of other Indian studios are coming out with new games. Absolutely, Vajra. It's great to see unique new ideas coming out from India. Ask you to reduce the resolution of sky to a pixelated one so that lag can be reduced. Okay, but now it has started to create and optimize the performance. So let's see what it can do. It doesn't rain in Mumbai; it floods. Not really, actually. I mean, we've actually managed our water management system pretty well after the unfortunate 2006 floods. So it doesn't really flood that much. I mean, yes, given a very extremely rainy day sometimes, but I think it also gets cleared out pretty soon. 2006 was the worst tragedy, but I think after that it was fine. There are a few people right now just reveal the release date of Mumbai release. We won't clip it. No man, I don't want to. I don't want to. I want peace. I don't want problems. I want peace. Met with you at Pop Dates at Vashi. Oh yes, Arshad, I remember. I remember. It was nice to meet you. By the way, any plans for this year's IGDC? It was nice meeting you last year. Chithat, yes, I mean I'm gonna be at IGDC every year, regardless of whatever. Okay. Okay, so now this is, hey wow, it has created some clouds as well. Okay. Now I don't know, it is still stone. I can press stone. I think I need keybinds for this because the cursor is getting hidden. Anyway, so, and plus I can't jump for some reason. I can't jump. Okay, let's add some more functionality. Okay. Alright, so I'm not able to jump. Also, cursor is still hidden. Let's keep it that way. Instead, let's make the elements switch based on number input. 1 for grass, 2 for stone, 3 for wood, and 4 for, what is this 4? What is the fourth block? 4 for dirt. Okay. Let's see. Hi Kushal, how are you? I'm good, yeah. I'll share some stuff with you later on Discord. Give me some third high options. Okay. Okay, so physics.js, it does have some physics.js file over here. What is this Minecraft clone? Let's try to read this. Is so it checks for physics, is on ground, handle collisions, get nearby blocks. But like guys, it's so cool that this has happened in our lifetime. Like look at that cloud, man. Look at it. Oh, I just noticed the sun. The sun looks also pretty good. Okay, let's start. Wait, what? You just okay. I can fly. What is happening? Wait, what the hell happened? I don't know what happened. I think the physics just got messed up crazily. Okay, I'm just not able. What is happening? It's gone crazy. It's gone super crazy. Okay, I built a stone wall. I think the physics has gone crazy. Physics has gone wonky. Collisions are not performing properly. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Left click break blocks. Exit pointer lock. Collider issue है. Yeah, I mean collider issue है. See, think wherever I'm standing, it is glitching inside. It is just breaking that block wherever I'm standing, if I'm understanding this properly. And there's some invisible collider issue as well. Who knows? Let's check. I can see the issue. The physics system has a problem with collision detection and resolution. Then if it has a problem, then why didn't you just put it in the first place? And it modified the physics.js file so many times. Okay, hopefully this works properly. Okay. Okay, so escape now allows me to see the cursor. Okay, so this is pretty neat. This is pretty neat. Okay, I can live with that. I can live with this. So now we can build uh, a house maybe like this. See, like this. I think this is still a little, like the point and click thing is not that accurate, but still it can do stuff. See, the point and click is not that accurate right now. This is frustrating. Okay, never mind. You know what? My house is wonky. This is frustrating. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm super bad at this. Okay. He was the one who said on Twitter, "You ain't a game dev if you can't make your engine. Now look at this. You don't need to know nothing." Marcus Pearson must be crying. Oh yeah, I mean, yeah, I remember his dialogue. See, I mean, I don't agree with what he said, just primarily because, like, it doesn't matter how you make a game, man. As long as it's fun to play, it's all right. Who cares how a game is made? Like, genuinely, gamers don't care. Gamers don't bother how it's made. As long as it's fun, it's fun. Now, I wanna actually let's. Okay, so the controls are a bit choppy. Uh, Blocks don't get placed exactly where I point. Fix that. Also add a day-night cycle that runs in 2 minutes. Let's get this done in 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see what this does. He has achieved everything we dream of. He has all the right to be mean, and he would look cool doing it. Yeah, I mean, what does he care? He can say whatever he wants. But like, tools are tools. Tools are tools, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you make your game. It doesn't matter what tools you use. It doesn't matter what engine you use. It doesn't matter how you write code. As long as you are making it ethically, as long as you're not stealing from someone, I think everything is fair. As long as you're making something fun, how does it matter? Okay, we're creating a nice day-night cycle that is going to run in 2 minutes. So we're going to also see the sun moving, hopefully. So are you open to visit my college in Hyderabad as a guest for lecturer? Yeah, sure. Why not? Uh, I do these sessions actually, so you can invite me as a guest. In such cases, there is a compensation amount that I ask for, along with the travel arrangements. So if you can have a word with it with your college, sure, I would be happy to come and do it. In fact, if you want further details, you, this is my email ID. Press this, read me. This is my email ID, nikhil.malankar@gmail.com. You can reach out to me. You can just note down this email ID. And for anyone else who actually wants to reach out to me to cover their games or whatnot, this is my email ID, right? My college also has TEDx. I would also love to have you. Sure, why not? This, like, you have my email ID now, so you can reach out and we'll make something happen. Okay, let's. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! How cool is this? Oh, it has created Moon as well. I didn't ask it to create Moon, but it created Moon as well, and it's a nice, you know, uh, color gradient that we're having. I'm actually now looking forward to. Hey, it is now also, like, if you see on the top right, it is showing the dawn, like the time of the day as well. Let's wait for a bit and see. This is so cool, so cool. I have an idea. Let's. This is Minecraft. Let's have a world that is generated procedurally, and if I press, say, a button, we get shoot up in space, and then we can see this entire thing as a planet. So we are basically now creating Minecraft meets No Man's Sky. Let's see if it can do that. Alright, so now I have a wild idea. Let's create a Minecraft meets No Man's Sky. Let's Epic Games Launcher. Why did I didn't press anything. Uh, let's create a keybind where upon pressing P, the player gets shot up in the sky and the ground below slowly starts taking shape of a planet. After we go with hyper thrust, and after a while we can control our player to navigate and roam around space freely, and we can also enter or our orbit again to land on our planet. Let's let's see. Let's see if this can do this. If it can, this would be super duper cool. That's an absolutely amazing idea. Let's create a Minecraft meets No Man's Sky experience with space travel and planet generation. I will implement this step by step. This is like, if this happens, genuinely, if this happens, this is going to be super duper cool. I mean, I'm imagining we can go to the sun, we can go to the moon, we can create multiple planets, so like a solar system. We can go to another galaxy, create a wormhole. I mean, this can actually be a full-blown project that I can build over time. This is going to be super cool, guys. This is going to be super duper cool. And like, just this bit, just this bit is technologically, it is so, and it is working smoothly as well. It won't be, it will collapse and confuse and mess up mechanism. Let's see. I like to be an optimist. I'm always an optimist. Let's see what happens. Procedural generation. It created Minecraft till this level, so I hope it is smart enough to create new stuff too. So please test sound if it does sound in the next prompt. Sure, I think we might, like for sound, it might need some sound files. So we can do that. I mean, I can just find a few sound samples here and there. This is it Cursor AI paid version currently? Yes, Arshad, I'm using the Pro plan, the $20 per month plan. But guys, this is mind blowing. Like just see, man, this entire simulation we've created. Just waiting now. What about mobs? What about mobs? You want me to implement mobs? Mobs or mods? Are you talking about mods? Space.js. Wait, I've hit my usage limit. Guys, I've hit my usage limit. Oh my god. And I have a $1.08 bonus right now. I have actually hit my usage limit with this. Damn. Now let me update the space system to pause or resume the sky. How? Mobs. I don't know if I can do that with the usage, with me hitting my usage limits. But let's see what this is. Okay. There are stars in the sky. Oh. Whoa! Guys, wow! Just look at this. Can I go back now? How do I come back on the ground? Free space navigation. Smooth return. Press L to land. Okay. L to land. Proximity detection must be closer to planet and looking down. Landing system. We do have a landing system as well. Okay. And we've landed. I pressed L and it is actually creating this procedurally right in front of me. See, it is actually creating the planet slowly, steadily. Let's see what it does, guys. But this is crazy. Like this technologically, it is absolutely mind-blowingly crazy. So, what do you think about closed ones feel about when the deadline for the project you have all strings to attach from your hard gets delayed and delayed and delayed, and here we go again. Yeah, we can't do much about it. I like it's a part and parcel of life, right? You just have to make uh, peace with the fact that it's going to take some time. There is no alternative. You have to keep yourself motivated. P. Let's launch ourselves into space. Where is the sun? Sun is has vanished all of a sudden. Okay, never mind. Let me see if we can actually build something. Okay, so the terrain right now is very limited. When I walk, please generate the terrain procedurally. Also, when I launch into space, sun and moon disappears. I want a fully functional Milky Way solar system with all planets and their moons enterable. Build this for me. Oh, also Saturn needs to have its rings, else it won't be cool. I've officially hit my usage limits, guys, but I hope it works. I hope it works. Is it going to work or is it going to bum out? I think it's probably not going to work. Let me see in my settings, in my cursor settings, if I can enable it to override the usage limits. Dashboard, enable usage based. Okay, I've actually created a small usage based limit now, and I've set a limit to $50. Let's see if this works. This is an absolutely epic request. Let me create a fully functional Milky Way solar system with procedural terrain generation. This will be incredible. Indeed, it will be incredible. Griffith, yes, we created Minecraft. We created Minecraft. So you can see this works. I can add blocks. I can add different types of blocks. I can add a wood block. Oh, and it also fixed the part wherein I said that, you know, it wasn't placing the blocks properly. So it has done that too. So now I can actually create my own home in here. Let's try to do that. Wait, whoopsie. Okay, wow, this looks so epic. Can it render light though? This has motivated me to start streaming, working on my project. I'll start doing that soon. Yeah, you should. A torch, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, I mean, I don't see a reason why not. This is going to take some time for sure because it's actually going to write the entire logic for space, and you can actually see this happening right over here. This is this is months and months of work, guys. Like, as a developer, I can just appreciate and be in complete awe of what is happening because this is work. This is few guys or even one person working over an extended period of time, few months, or even if it's a genius, few weeks at least, to make something like this. And you have to be a mad genius to write this kind of code. Like, trust me, I'm not a mad genius, right? I've paid Copilot. I think it can also make something like this. Yeah, yeah, Akash, you should definitely go for it. And guys, I'm deeply fascinated by the concept of space travel and all of these concepts, right? So this is this is super crazy, super crazy. We we've been in live for like last 54 minutes right now. Within 54 minutes, I was able to make this. So imagine, like, given unlimited time, what can I do? Like, I can keep on adding stuff. I can keep on adding features to this. Like, imagination is my only limit. Everything else is just super crazy, super crazy, super crazy. Let me update the launch prompt to reflect the new solar system. Okay. And it's not even been, wow, it's loading. I'm sure obviously this might be very heavy. Okay, it is heavy, obviously. Let's go and propel ourselves into space. I think I can't see any. Oh wow! Just look at this. It has stuck. But just look at this. It crashed. I think it crashed my system, I guess. Let me actually give it a prompt and say that, okay, so I think we got the functionality right, but this needs to be smartly optimized as it is lagging a lot. So run some optimization magic so that it can perform well on a browser. Let's see. Chrome cache is filled. Yes. Students, you can at least have a base idea for the game you want to develop, have a well structured code base read to make it like a good project. Yeah, absolutely. It is creating it is creating a JavaScript file called optimization.js. What will it write in optimization.js? I'm just wondering. Like optimization mostly happens on like individual code level. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So it is creating like LODs and frustum, and it is optimizing geometries, and it is also using object pooling, by the way, guys. Like as a developer, I can just appreciate it. Ask it to clear non-render cache and store it in bytes instead. That way, the cache storage will also be optimized. Yeah, sure. I mean, that's a good suggestion. Let's do that after this prompt is done. And that will be the last prompt for the day. And I will end the stream. Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan, and after that, I'm traveling for a bit. So I will also need to keep myself refreshed. Wow, man. Wow. My mind is blown. I don't know about you guys, but my mind is absolutely blown with what AI is capable of doing these days. This is, I'll be setting up stream. Can I expect you to pop up for some time? Not tonight, lazy shed, unfortunately, because I'm pretty much done with the day. I still have some household chores to do. I need to help my wife out with a few stuff. But yeah, I mean, next, like, I'll subscribe to your channel, Lazy Shed Studios. Let me check. Uh, I'm gonna subscribe to your channel, okay? And whenever you're uh, live next time, I will pop by, okay? All right, let's see where this is. Optimizing the block manager. So it is creating an optimization script, and it is also optimizing the individual scripts, which makes sense. Okay, I just thought it's going to just create one optimization J script. ChatGPT can't make a simple Flappy Bird game. It actually can, Rishi. You just need to know how to prompt it well. You just need to provide the directions properly. Akash, I think our friend Lazy Shed Studios is gonna start his journey now. So yeah, all the best to you, Lazy Shed. Okay, it is also adding a performance display to show FPS, which is something I didn't ask it for, but it is also a matter of optimization. So sure, appreciate it. Let's see. And guys, we've got 12 people watching over here. Please everyone who is here, please hit the subscribe button. Not subscribe button, sorry. Hit the like button. We've got 14 likes, so keep a target of 25 likes for the stream. Let's see if we can hit it. I think Friday night everyone is like busy with their personal lives and all, or maybe they're watching someone else. Who knows? Very few people live today. I think the most number of people I saw live this week was on uh, Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday was also good, but Tuesday was the day when I got the most number of people. I chose not to work today and interact instead. Thanks a lot. So आप party शार्टी नहीं करते क्या? It's Friday. Yeah, Akash, I'm heading out for a small vacation kind of thing. So not tonight. I'm just catching up on work. Okay. P to launch into the solar system. I don't know what is. Am I on Saturn? Did I launch on Saturn? I don't know. So we do have a good performance indicator now, but I don't know where my planets went. So there is Sun and Moon that I can see. Where my other planets at? I can only see where did my other planets go, man. I can't do anything. Uh, Let me tell. I spawned on Saturn's rings. Please, I am a citizen of Earth. Make me spawn there. Also, currently, I can't see any planets when I launch into space. And one quick memory optimization suggestion, and I will write your uh, suggestion over here. Clear non-render cache and store it in bytes instead. That way the cache storage will also be optimized. Oh, okay, let's see. This is the last prompt for the day, guys, and after this I will end the stream no matter what output we get. But this was a lot of fun. I mean, we started off with Minecraft and we progressed into making Minecraft meets No Man's Sky. Quite an ambitious project. Quite an ambitious project. What is happening? I love space travel. I just wish someday space travel is possible. I mean, I know that it will be possible someday, but I hope it happens during my lifetime, and I hope I never die. That is just an outlandish wish that I have. I don't want to die. I just want to be alive forever and ever. Just looking at the evolution of things, learning cool stuff. I don't know what is the next frontier. I mean, so late nights open up a lot of interesting topics in your head, right? And I don't know what's happened with. Okay, it started working finally. I think it was thinking what to do. And I'm actually switching to I'm using the auto model. So what it does is it takes whichever model is available right now, and especially because I'm on the pro plan, so there are limits. But anyway, let me fix the planet visibility issue by ensuring they're properly shown when launching. Okay, so it is doing that. But guys, on the topic of what I just said, it's just how fascinating how every piece of technology that we own right now was non-existent 100 years ago. Just in about 100 years, we have progressed so much. We've got screens, computers, we've got mobile phones, we've got digital watches, we've got consoles, we've got earphones. Something just as basic as earphones did not exist 100 years ago. To think that so many things have happened in the last 100 years. It's just mind blowing and fascinating, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 1,000 years. I hope I'm there. I hope I never die. I hope I'm alive all the time, throughout eternity. I just somehow want this wish to be granted. In the best of the health, by the way. And surviving is just one thing, but in good health, that is also super important. So if God, you're listening to me, or any universal being that controls this simulation, please grant me this wish to be ever existent in the best of health, in best state of mind, and get to experience all of these things. Consciousness always remains in your body. Body will change. Yeah, that's true, but I hope I remember all of this. I just don't want to not remember. And here we are. Memories. Like, see, it is also given us how much memory consumption is happening. That is cool. Mm, I don't know what is wrong. But guys, anyway, regardless, it was fun. What is happening? Something is getting glitched out, or it is not rendering properly or so. But I can walk endlessly on this terrain. I can walk endlessly. What? I'm on the sun or what? Why is this sun appearing and disappearing suddenly? Maybe the render logic is inappropriate. Yeah, the render logic clearly is completely flawed. Because I'm launching myself into space and nothing is showing. But guys, anyway, as I said, that was the last prompt for the day. So it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, we're gonna come back to these kind of sessions after 2 weeks, or at least a week and a half, because as I said, I'm heading out. So I will still try to come live, but they will just be like these conversational sessions wherein I will talk with you guys. But these building sessions I will resume after 20th of August. We should have group development sessions. Yeah, why not? I mean, I can actually, like, you guys can actually join my Discord server, whoever is watching this, and we can chat and build something. I'm open to it, right? So guys, I think that's about it for today's stream. We haven't hit the likes target yet, 25 likes. We are still on 18 likes. So it would mean the world to me if you are watching this new, and if you could hit the like button, that would be super amazing. Uh, Today's stream was a lot of fun. We built, we talked about consciousness, we talked about galaxies, we built a simulation, which was fun. I don't know what the sound was. Anyway, think I think our dog needs me. Anyway, alright guys. So this was a lot of fun. I will see you guys again probably on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to stream next. Alright. But whenever that happens, I look forward to seeing you again. Bro, I make horror game name Haveli. Please check trailer. I will check it out, Network Gamers, but not right now. I'm just super tired. So I'm gonna do some of the home chores and go to sleep. That's it for this stream, guys. Thanks a lot for coming by and watching this and talking with me. Love you all, guys, and I'm gonna start saying my outro. So guys, thanks a lot for watching me live tonight, and this was a lot of fun. Before you go to sleep, don't forget to brush your teeth. It's very important to take care of your teeth and your health. And I wish you pink of health, great sleep, and a fresh morning in the morning. And yeah, that's about it. Take care, good night, and I love you guys.